Hello everyone, I'm Alex from Doc365. Welcome to our new video tutorial. Today, we are going to show you how to use connector web parts in SharePoint Online. As you know, web parts are the basic building blocks that we use to set up a SharePoint page. Web parts can make a page highly functional and content rich. By using connector web parts, you can connect your SharePoint pages to external services like Trello, Google Analytics, etc. There are a lot more services you can add using these connectors with your SharePoint page. And the list of services is getting bigger each week. By the help of this connector web parts, you can get notification updates and messages regarding these external services right on your SharePoint page. We have a blog post that is created on this topic. Find the link in the description and learn more about it. Let's move on to the tutorial now. I am in one of my SharePoint sites called Marketing Updates. We use this site for consolidating and coordinating all our marketing activities and updates. So the site name is Marketing Updates. This is the expanded view of the site. I will just collapse the content here. Yeah, this is how it looks, and let's go with the expanded view. We have a newly created page called Search Analytics. This is the page. So this is a fresh page and there is not much content over here. We will just add some connector web parts and see how the information or updates look in this page. For that, you need to move the page to edit mode first. So click on the edit option in the top right corner. So the page will be taken to the edit mode, and then click on any of the plus icons you see by the end of already existing part or by the end of each section. So I am just choosing this particular location. So click on it. This window will appear. This actually you can get to choose all kinds of web parts available in SharePoint here. So I am going to choose the web part Office 365 connectors. So this is the name you will see when you search for the connector web parts in this window. Don't get confused. If you are not sure, just type connector in the search here and choose Office 365 connectors. So from the window that opens, you can choose any kind of external services you wish. There are a lot of services added here. There is Trello, RSS, Feed, Option, Jira, Cloud, Asana, Big News, Dynamics. Everything is there. You can also choose by category, analytics related external services, CRM services, customer support related services, project management, etc. We'll add Trello for now. We are going to add or connect Trello with this web part right now. So choose Trello, click on add. So we need to connect the Trello account to this web part first. So I'm just choosing my Trello account, the board. You will have different boards in Trello to manage different activities. So I'm choosing the board Marketing Updates August. Notifications, you will get notifications when a new card is created, a card is moved, comment to attachment added to card, members added to card, etc. So there are also other notification options. Click on show more notification options and you will be able to check or add these options too. We'll just go with the basic options and click on save. Yeah, the part is now connected. You can give a name to this part. I will go with the name Trello Updates. That makes sense, I think. So we'll just republish the page back so that it will go live. We'll just refresh it once again, and let's make some changes in the Trello account so that We'll see whether it is reflecting here or not. Let's move to my Trello account. We'll just mhm, make some changes to any of these, and let's add a attachment here. So let's open the card and click on, where's the attachment option? Yeah, attachments. Let's upload an image. Can give an test image. Click save. Have not added, yeah. There is a member to, let's add a member to this card. I want to change the image here too. I hope that make the board looks more interesting. So I have made enough changes to this board in my Trello account here. So let's see whether it is reflecting in my SharePoint page through the connector web parts. So let's go back to the search analytics page. As you can see, the Trello updates section here is actually a connector web part that is connected to the Trello account. So it is actually showing the notification that says member Betty Aldos added to blog optimizations board. So there's also the time here, the board, and the members. So this is how you get updates from an external service when you have already connected that particular service with your connector web part placed in any of your SharePoint site pages. We'll add one more connector here. I would like to see how Google Analytics updates looks here. So we'll place it right next to the Trello web part. Click on the same steps, click on the plus icon and choose Office 365 connectors. From here, let's choose Google Analytics. Click on Analytics and click on Add button right next to the Google Analytics option. We'll have to choose the account options here. We'll choose our official account. Let's choose the properties. Set up all these properties here and the frequency in which you wish to get Google Analytics overview report. I will choose daily frequency and click on save. Let's give this the name Google Analytics status. It should be fine. Yeah. And click on republish. Once you have made all these changes, click on republish so that the page will go back to the live mode. So let's see how it looks. Yeah, here it is, the Google Analytics status. So this is an overview of our Google Analytics account right now. So that's very basic updates from Google Analytics status, but that really makes sense and it's very helpful when you are working as a team. So you can see all the updates, all the important updates from your external services right in your SharePoint pages by using these web parts. That's the best use of these connector web parts. You can also make changes to this web parts later. So for that, you can again go back to take the page to the edit mode and choose the web part and click on the edit web part option. So there are options like configure connector as well as show up to this many items at a time. Look, you can set up all these options over here and make it look or make it work exactly the way you want. Hope you got a clear picture about how connector web parts work in SharePoint and how to make the most of them. See you with another interesting video tutorial soon. Have a good day.